Okay. Inflation is going up. Should you buy real estate? Well, hi, I'm Ronald Kagape. I'm your deal making coach, and this is the question that we will answer in this video. Now, there's been a lot of news recently about inflation, has been going on for the past 2 months, and should you buy real estate now? And that is the big question. Well, real estate is the best asset to buy during inflation. So if ever there is a great time, if ever there is the best time to buy real estate, buy it now. Now the truth is, the best time to buy real estate was 20 years ago. Yes, 20 years in the past. Because if you bought back then all of that compounded inflation would have already raised the price of real estate to a very profitable level for you. Your value would have compounded over time. And the value of real estate is actually tied to inflation. So the higher the inflation, the faster the value of real estate appreciates. And real estate is actually one of the best hedges against inflation. It is one of the best assets to invest in when inflation goes up. Now, the thing with inflation is not only do property values increase with inflation, but rents also rise with inflation. Because, as a landlord, you also have expenses. So with everything, with all the spending going up all around you, all of your costs are going up, then there is, you actually have no choice but to raise your rents as well. So property values and rentals rise with inflation. So that's why buying real estate is a great hedge against inflation, especially if you're thinking of building passive income, preparing for your retirement, 10, 20 years from now, as inflation has increased uh, through the years, as inflation has compounded through the years, your property values and your rents will also have compounded through the years. So whatever it is, whatever property that you buy right now, 10, 20, 30 years later when you retire, the value of that property will be higher and the passive income that it gives will also be higher. Okay, so that's just another reason, to purchase real estate now, especially with inflation going up. You should buy now because loan rates also rise with inflation. Um, the higher the inflation rate, all of the loan instruments also go up. The interest rate on taking out a loan goes up as well. Okay, so you want to be able to, I guess, lock in the rates now while it is still relatively low. Okay, so let the inflation go up, but your loan rates will stay low as long as you fix it. You get those loan interest rate fixing loans, so that you will have your amortization will be relatively the same through the loan fixing period, 5 years or 10 years. Should loan rates go up, right, your rental rates will go up, your income goes up, the value of your property goes up, but your amortization stays the same. Okay, so the benefit of that is you will get your expenses is the same, your monthly expense is the same, but your income rises, right? Your income is going up, so your net cash flow still increases over time. Okay, so that's why when inflation goes up, the first thing that you should be thinking of buying is real estate. Okay, so don't wait to buy real estate. Instead, buy real estate, then wait. You don't wait for the inflation to go down to buy real estate. Just buy real estate and then wait, and you will reap the benefits. Um, many years from now. All right. So again, if you like this video, please like the video and share it with one or two friends that you think will be interested in real estate investing. And please subscribe, to this channel, or like and follow this page, to get more real estate tips. And also, I'm on a mission to train 1,000 deal makers, to build 100 real estate units every year. So that is my personal vision, my long-term vision. I want to be able to train 1,000 deal makers who will buy, renovate, and build the 100 housing units every year. If you're interested to join that, just let me know in the comment section below. And also, don't forget to check out my book, No Money Down Real Estate, No Money Down Formula in Real Estate. That will teach you how to buy and sell properties with little or no cash. So again, this has been Ronald Kagape, your real estate coach, encouraging you, to make deals and grow rich.